So this is gonna be a quick video, part three. So I'm looking at the preface, which is the contents. So far looks pretty good. Uh, Alternating current, generation, transmission, and distribution, grounding, calculating current in three-phase circuit, calculating three-phase power, demand and demand response, instruments and meters, circuit protection, motors and motor protection, power factor correction, tariffs, relays and contactors, electrical drawings. So far, that's something something I might fully read this. I might fully read the whole part of it. Not fully read it, you know, because I can't really fully read it because I need to set my times, my schedules, my free time. Whenever I can read, I read it and I'll study it. But right now, I don't have the time and energy to read it because I have to do some other stuff. So I don't know when I'm gonna be live streaming. So